Alright, today we're going to be setting up for a fireworks show that I'm doing tomorrow for my friend's wedding. My friend is Pyro Rico on YouTube. He's the guy I shot all my 4th of July fireworks with. A really good friend of mine. He's getting married tomorrow, so we're going to shoot a surprise fireworks show for him. So here's the product we've got. We've got some Dominator Pro strobes, got 2 Moody's Madness, 2 Merlin Magic, 2 Nude Beach, 2 Wreck-It, 2 Sucker Punch. Got a good one down there. Got a 36-shot Z Crackling Mine, 36-shot Z Crackle, 25-shot Gold Mine to Brocade. We've got 3 of the Spirit of 76 Aqua Dahlias, and we've got 3 of the Spirit of 76 Silver Dahlias. We shot 2 last night just to test them out. They're really good. Got half a case of Silver Razzle from Pyro King right here. And then we've got a UD for the finale. And we've got 2 ZTs for the finale. And then in the garage, we've got the racks with some canister shells for the finale. So it's gonna be a fast show. Should be pretty good. I've got these boards here. And we're gonna take the liquid nails and glue the cakes down. Once I'm done with that, I'll pick up the phone and show you all. Alright, we got everything glued down. Got this board, it's gonna go in the middle. And I've got this board that's gonna go in the middle right here. Got the strobes on here glued down. Everything's glued. Got the 2 Silver Razzles back there angled. And I've got these 2 boards. These are identical. We got a strobe there, 2 Wreck-Its, 2 Merlin's Magic, 2 Moody's Madness. We got the 2 76 Pro Cakes, 2 Sucker Punch. We got Silver Razzle right here. Both angled. I angled that one the wrong way, so I'm gonna have to flip the board around so it goes that way. And then the 2 ZTs. Got 100-shot Super, that's gonna be the opener. Then we got the 30-shot rack loaded with shells. So that's gonna be the show. Like I said, left side, right side, middle, 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 finale. Should be good. Yeah.
Oh, it still works. It's fucking cold. Is that how it does?
No. I feel like something didn't work.
Huh?
Something didn't work.
It's not good.
I know it's not good.
Oh, there you go.
This center module's not working. This center module's not working. Yeah, I know. Hey, grab my torch! Grab my torch. And my torch.
I'm gone. I'm riding and I'm gone. If you see me, I'm so twisted, I'm so blonde.